I'm not a stage person, so I'm not Jafar Bhai or Mita Habi. This is the first time in life I'm stage দাঁড়াইছি. Only for my son. থ্যাংক ইউ সবাইকে যে আপনারা সবাই কষ্ট করে আসছেন। সবসময় অনেক আমার খারাপ সময় গেছে যখন আপনারা ছিলেন আমার সাথে। আমার মোস্টলি রিলেটিভস, আমার সব এখানে যারা থাকে সবাই আমাকে সাপোর্ট করছে। সো আই ওয়ান্ট টু শেয়ার দিস লাইক প্রেশাস মোমেন্ট উইথ অল অফ ইউ। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ এগেইন। দোয়া করবেন ওর জন্য যেন ও অনেক ভালো, মানে যেটাই করে ভালো মতো শেষ করে। আমি ওর জন্য একটুখানি স্পিচ লিখছি, যার ফলে আমার দিকে তাকায় না। করে লিখছি। It's only for Ahnaf. I'm dedicated to you, Ahnaf. First of all, I love you. So, 18 years ago, your father and I began an adventure with you, with joy in my heart. I found I was pregnant with you. The idea of going away from family at this time was a difficult decision, and we didn't know what to expect when we arrived in America. Then you were born. You have given us the courage to keep moving forward, no matter what obstacles appeared in our path. The days have gone so fast, and I have watched you grow from a cute little boy to a handsome young man. You are fun-loving and smart. I laugh when I think of your arguments. You didn't give up until you won. If I decided to stop arguing, you would tell me that it was because I realized that I was losing. It is my hope that you will continue to apply that same determination and humor to every goal you have set for yourself. This is just one of the many memories I have of you growing up that I will always cherish. You have the potential to accomplish everything that you can dream of, like both of your grandparents. I pray that you will be able to overcome obstacles like they have. I pray with them that you will be a good person. In college, you will have to make some choices. Will be easy and others will be difficult. We pray that you will make them carefully, knowing that we believe in your ability to make the right choices, and that you will surpass the high expectations that we have for you and your future. You have the potential to accomplish everything and anything that you can dream of. Congratulations, Ahnaf. Having you as a son has been such a blessing. I will always love you and will miss you when you are off college and begin your life's journey. You will always have our love and support. Thank you, Ahnaf. I love you. Now it's your part. I'm done.
রিডিংটা তো ভালোই পড়ছে। এনিওয়ে, আমার রিডিং অত ভালো না ভাই। But before I start, I really want to thank everybody for enjoying this with us. Practice night, first time. So I really thank you. I'm thinking, but I have this ready, so don't worry.
Don't think.
Anyway, so we gathered here for Ahnaf today. So Ahnaf,
Another chotha. Oh no, boyish.
the reason we make a great fuss for your graduation is we as Bengalis like to make great fuss about anything generally, and also take every opportunity to gather together in huge masses and share a great meal with everyone. This is right and this is all that, but it is very much something more. You are graduating from high school is a milestone that we want to celebrate, because this is where you graduate from being only our son and Anusha's brother into being a young man who belongs to the world. Because this is an achievement for us too, that's how hard we had to work as parents to get you here, you know. We celebrate this day with the taste of success, pride and joy. We are so very proud of you. So this has been a great day for us, a great week, a great year. No, really, a great 18 years from that day, that little bundle to the young man that you are. I know it has been rough for you sometimes. Don't worry about us. We survived. With your mom and me at you for every single mistake that you ever made or did not make. Isn't that what it felt like? But it was all worth every minute. As you go to college and take on the world out there, I am confident you'll meet the world in your own way and make it your own. Be proud of your heritage and don't be afraid to make mistakes and learn from them. Your home is always with us and we are always with you. Thank you.